easy when you're up in the mountain. You've got peace of mind like you never know. But things change when you're down in the valley. Don't lose faith, for you never alone. For the God of the mountain is the God in the valley. When things goes wrong, He makes them right. And the God of the good time is the God in the bad time. The God of the day is the God in the night. The God of the day is the God in the night. Yeah, my people, I greet you now special. I greet you now. I don't know why these days that they like they talk or they laugh. I don't know why. But then, thank God, it better make person laugh than to cry. It don't fuck up, don't they throw away. Nigerians, the whole matter about Nigeria don't fuck up, don't they throw away. They go destroy Nigeria embassy for Ghana. Okay. Then the ambassador and every other Nigerians there, they shout. Good. They make noise, they shout. Nigeria lives matter, we can't breathe. Nigeria lives matter, we can't breathe. You see my people, they use and make parable say, if the bank of river dirty, the whole water when they come out for that place, all go dirty. If the source where water from they come out, say all dirty, the whole water when they come out from there, all go dirty. Imagine, say, everybody now don't know, everybody, the whole world now don't know. Go reach even una when they Nigeria, una don't know, say, the original Mr. Boo Boo when me and you know, he not dey exist again. The original Boo Boo, the Mr. Boo Boo, when supposed to be our president, the Nigeria president, that guy not there again. May I illustrate to una why una need to use, in short, una suppose don't get the belief now, but I never really know why una never fit still believe say Mr. Boo Boo is not available. Now person when they go clone, go make am be like Mr. Buhari, now they carry come give us. That is why una see and say everybody for the world now they treat us like mumu. Everybody for the world now, that they look you. If you be say anyway, for years say you be Nigeria, that they look us like mumu. Ghana now, they say now somebody destroy Nigeria embassy for Ghana, but the president want talk. The president of Ghana want talk. He say make Nigeria go tell their ghost president make he come ask him. He not go fit get ghost embassy for inside Ghana. That one Africa. Una no say Nnamdi Kanu they talk am, then they counter am, they change wetin they talk say na lie. Una remember 2017 when Buhari dey sick. After he don't go, they don't go treat am for London. That time I will not say die. Because the person when they come back to Aso Rock, in case if una forget, make una remember. The person when they bring come Aso Rock, in fingerprint not open Aso Rock. Now they forget. Person, after they say Buhari don't go treatment, Buhari don't well, when they come back, that Buhari when they bring also, in fingerprint, he not open Aso Rock. Now don't supposed to fair no say, hey, na close person. But Nigeria, una not agree wake up. Una not know. Even when person they talk, una not want listen. Buhari wife, Aisha Buhari, more than 1, 2, 3 occasions that woman don use systematically take throw am to Nigeria, but Nigeria no follow that one. Dem no dey pay her at ten tion. Una dey wait make she just come open her mouth publicly say, hey, my husband don die and another person dey there, so that dem go kill her too. The woman na human being, na blood dey pass her body. She don talk well when una for Nigeria suppose to know say yes, the original husband of that woman, e don yamutu. So the ghost person wey dem go bring come because of power, because of say dem wan make their person rule finish, that one don die. Even the person wey be dey rule the country before Abba Kyari, that one too, e don see die. Kabas, so to come dey hear gunshot for Aso Rock. That one na one side. My people, that one mean say nothing dem fit do about this thing. Say now e dey very clear now say no be the real original Buhari, that military Buhari one we know, not be in the rule. Na person when they go clone. Then that means nothing we fit do about her. Nothing we fit talk. The other time for France, they do one this thing when they say the old president come. For this Buhari to come, he come up for Nigeria, say he dey come that meeting for France here. At the end of it, he and the ambassador to Nigeria, for Nigeria embassy for France, they go stay one place, they stage speech or everything. Why the major party, they not see Buhari for there? Because that time, in the fear too, because the pressure they say, they don't set machine when they will tell you whether na the real Buhari or na the fake one. He not go there. He does come, they can't go the Photoshop picture, take the form all those things. At the end of it, that thing come up. Nobody talk. See that other military man for United Kingdom, white man, when he don't talk more than 3 occasions, they accuse Nigeria, say if na lie, make Nigeria swan to court. Nigeria not swan to court because they know say na true the man they talk, say the real Buhari, he don't die. Adamo Shomole, the first time when they first threatened to drop him or to suspend him, he come out publicly, openly, tell Nigerians, say, if they drop him, he go tell them. So we still dey wait definitely because now they don't suspend him, they don't drop him. So we still dey wait, say definitely, maybe he now still can't talk before Nigeria una go believe, say yes, say, na ghost na the rule of that country. Ghost. Imagine, as big as Nigeria, ghost na the rule Nigeria. Then una dey say meeting is good. It go hard. I think the immediate problem now when Nigeria gets, now be the disrespect when they disrespect us as Nigeria. And why they disrespect us? Because we be like deaf people, deaf and blind people. We dey see everything when they happen. We not fit talk, then we dey expect make they respect us. How would the world respect us? Ghana destroy. Me I tell you the usefulness of embassy be like say na your country. If you dey for example, you dey for somewhere like Ghana, there now Nigeria embassy na Nigeria. So na Nigeria they destroy for Ghana. If una no know more na no. But una wan go fight put? No, they not dey fight for that kind of thing. Because Ghana they let una know now as Nigeria say, come make una wake up. Ghana love us. Ghana, they be our neighbors, they love us well. They don't use every which way to let Nigeria know. So look, Nigeria are supposed to develop, not supposed to grow. But because of the ghost when they lead, una not fit grow. But since Nigeria not agree here, they not fit get ghost people for their own country. So you that Nigeria ambassador for Ghana when they shout, I mean when they work for the embassy, when they shout, una need to first join hands together, confirm. Not even confirm. The ghost when they rule us, we're supposed to fail us tell that ghost to make it go back to his cemetery, make go sleep. Then look for somebody living human being, make it rule Nigeria. Ghost they rule Nigeria for the past how many years? 3 years they come. If not be Sarah reporter the other time, when he see expose Yaradua, now so therefore clone Yaradua constantly give Nigeria. My brother, now not the wise. Because say the world now they don't know. The other day I dey watch one American comedy. Americans so now Nigeria president they use as joke because it's a ghost. not be the real Buhari. Me and una know the real Buhari. The real Buhari cannot be alive and the terrorists some kind nonsense when they happen even there inside the country. Yes, no forget. Okay, listen. Aisha Buhari, the wife to the president, she come out. They let Nigeria know say, make them remember say after government say dem get life to live, she has to protect her family. That is why she dey argue with dem for inside Aso Rock. That one no give una sense to take know say yes, the woman know say im husband don die, so make dem no come go spoil things under the husband name. That is why she dey use her own first lady power take dey follow dem dey drag small 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 small. For una no take dey happen, God forbid bad thing, una hear say yes dem don still go kill that woman, make God forbid. So Nigeria, make una rise. Arise, O compatriots, Nigeria's call obey, to serve our father's land with love and strength and faith. The labor of our heroes past shall never be in vain, to serve with all our might, one nation bound in freedom, peace and unity. Nigeria will get up. In short, the major problem now, both the Senate to the House of Rep, you guys should demand the president. That person when they come, they form the talk. He is not the original Buhari we know. Not be him. Now those cabals, all those people when they go attach themselves for the House of Rock, they follow Aisha Buhari, they fight. Now then I make the arrangement of clone this guy, make him, because they don't want to lose two presidency once. Because automatically, if they declare and say the guy don't die, or say Banjo would have been the president, they don't need all those kind of things. You understand? So they go clone somebody, go give one, and I just take and say yes, life is. Nigeria, wake up. You guys should wake up. I love you. Compasike white talking. Me, I live now. I don't tell you now my own. I'll still try my own side too. Great to that.